Stocks set to open at record highs. The bear traps, report founder and editor Larry McDonald provides insight into market and economic trends.U.S. Stock futures were little changed Monday morning as the major averages looked to extend last week's record highs. Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures gained 14 points, or 0.04%, while SandP 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures advanced 0.08% and 0.12%, respectively. Both the SandP 500 index and the Nasdaq Composite index closed at record highs Friday, after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech signaled the central bank could begin tapering later this year, but that rate hikes were further out on the horizon. In stocks, mega-cap tech stocks including Microsoft Corporation, Apple Incorporated and Alphabet Incorporated were all flirting with record highs after investors cheered the likelihood that interest rates would remain near zero for the foreseeable future. ExxonMobil Corporation and Marathon Petroleum Company were among the oil companies in focus after 95% of oil and gas production in the Gulf of Mexico was halted due to Hurricane Ida, which made landfall in Louisiana as a Category 4 storm. West Texas Intermediate crude oil was trading down 33 cents at $68.41 a barrel, while RBOB gasoline was up 4.17 cents at $2.3159 per gallon.
Elsewhere, Affirm Holdings Incorporated shares were on track for their best day ever after the buy now, pay later company said its service will be made available to some Amazon.com Inc. customers. Shares of satellite services provider Global Star Incorporated sought after, and reports said Apple's new iPhone, which will likely debut in September, will have the ability to use satellite communications. Meanwhile, an additional 1 million shots of Moderna Incorporated's COVID-19 vaccine were put on hold in Japan after more contaminated batches were discovered and 2 people died. In total, about 2.6 million doses of the vaccine have been suspended in the country. Zoom Video Communications Incorporated and Cloudera are scheduled to report their quarterly results following Monday's closing bell. Overseas markets were broadly higher. In Europe, Britain's FTSE 100 climbed 0.32% as France's CAC 40 and Germany's DAX 30 both gained 0.17%. Japan's Nikkei 225 paced the advance in Asia, rising 0.54%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index jumped 0.52% and China's Shanghai Composite ticked up 0.17%.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe